that mountain right there? That cliff? I like to go get close to that. I know I'm not going to really get close to it, but I like to park somewhere where I got a nice view of that. So let's follow this tree line. It was a good place back there to boondock, but usually whenever I do that, I park at a spot and the next day I go down the road or trail or whatever, not even a couple hundred yards, and then I find a really nice place to camp. But I'm looking. There's a mountain cliff off to my left that I want to boondock. So when I look out the window, the dinette window, I want to be able to sip a cup of coffee and look at that cliff. I'll bust out the binoculars and really scope it out. This road looks like it might take me. Ooh, yeah, it's getting a little. You don't want to be down here when it rains, it looks like. Could be a little sloppy getting out of here. Now I got to be careful of limbs hanging over. Ooh, it looks like the perfect spot. I'm coming up here. Squeak, 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 says the camper in the bed. Let me see, now I got branches coming up here. So now, here's where my camera comes in handy. I got my top camera. Got a camera mounted way up at the top. And that way I can monitor these tree limbs. Like I'm just gonna clear that one right there. Yep. Ooh, ooh. This is what I wanted right here. Level spots are rare. Now see what you see right out there? That's what I want to see out of my dinette window. Well, the last days of summer are today. This is September 25th, 21. I'm boondocked here about, I don't know, 10 miles north of Augusta Springs, Colorado. And all that you see out here probably, I don't know, another couple of weeks will probably be all covered with snow. Tomorrow it's going to be rain and sunshine, and I'm going to hang out here tomorrow, probably till Wednesday, till the weather breaks, and then I'm going to start heading south. So it's going to rain and thunder and shower and lightning here for until Wednesday. So this is where I'm hanging out till Wednesday. I want to watch the storm pass through here and see what it's like. Set my trail cam out, get some lightning strikes out there. That'll be fun.